guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I will be decorating in my Skinny Classic planner for the week of April 19th to the 25th. I'm going to be using the Wild Styled sticker book and then mix in just a few of the Rong Rong girls that also have the cheetah print on there. I thought that was a good little combination. So I use this Skinny Classic planner as my social media planner, and it's been working okay. And although I have been productive with it, it really has been feeling much more squished together than I would like. I really don't have a ton of room. I feel like I have to write really small. It ends up being really chaotic, and it's just not working as well. So I am doing a little brainstorming of how I can move my planners around and figure out what to do. I may start using my Skinny Classic as my faith so that I really don't have to decorate it at all, because I really don't show it that often, since it is much more of a personal planner for me. So I may just do my Skinny Classic as my faith, and then maybe dashboard, go back to using it as my social media. So before, I was using my social media planner in my dashboard extension pack, but I really wasn't doing YouTube. So now that I am, and I have the TikTok account as well, and then trying to get back into my blog, like there's just a lot more that I need to be writing down, and a bunch of different lists and video ideas and things like that. I think it would be much better to do in my dashboard layout, but still want to make sure that I'm choosing the right one, I guess, before I go all in. I may do the teacher layout. I don't know. It's just a lot to consider before I make the plunge. So anyways, that's just a little sneak peek, I guess. I don't know, little behind the scenes of what's going on, but I do really like the Skinny Classic layout. I really like that it is compact, but it also, you still have the monthly view, you still have a currently page and everything. So it's good for a planner that you don't have to write a ton, or if you write super small. So that's why I like it, but for me, I write so much, and I'm a no white space planner, so it ends up being a little bit like way too covered up, and then it just feels like claustrophobic. So just, wanting to share a little bit of that. But what I'm doing here is just, sticking down the stickers. But I want to have a box for each day that I can write out the different posts, the Instagram posts, the TikToks, and the YouTube videos for each day. And that's a lot to write out. So I actually have been using a lot of sticky notes and inserts and, filler paper and stuff like that, which is why I think that having a larger planner would be better. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I do. I put a box on each day, and then I also have like a decorative piece on each day. So I want to have a good amount of quotes, but then a good amount of the specific color that I seem to be gravitating towards, which is like that tannish gray color, and I really love it. And then I have, of course, black accents, because black is like my go-to. I really love having black accents in different spreads because I feel like it pops. And then, of course, I put down that Rong Rong girl down on Sunday, and I think that that's so cute. Although it, is not, of course, I don't have any cheetah like stereotypical cheetah like she's wearing, it pops really well, and it goes really well. So I really like that combination. And then I think I end up putting a smaller girl on Tuesday, I think, or maybe Wednesday. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I didn't want to have these two black stickers like directly beside each other because there was one on Sunday and on Wednesday. So I pulled that up and found like a little priority sticker to put on to Sunday for like a little extra spot to write. And yeah, and then again, I pull up the tannish gray color because that works really well. I really like that color. And yeah, it's the same girl, but it's cute. And then there was like this little thing that said Boss Babe. Put that down. And yeah, just finishing it up. I'm going to put it back into the discs for you and have one last look. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.